Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met before, I'm here. And today in this lesson I will teach you 30 easy English words that we use every day. These are very simple and common words and they are great for beginners who want to learn basic English or for anyone who wants to improve their everyday English conversation. This is part 1 of the lesson, so make sure to watch until the end because at the end I will tell you when part 2 will be available. Let's get started. Number 1, friend. A friend is someone with whom you have a bond of mutual trust, affection, respect, and you enjoy spending time together. Friends can be similar to you or very different, but you share common interests and care about each other. To make friends, you can join clubs, take classes, volunteer, or simply strike up conversations with people who share your hobbies. Number 2, family. Your family is a group of people related to you either by blood or marriage, such as your parents, siblings, grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, nieces, nephews, and so on. Your family provides you with love, support, and a sense of belonging. You spend time with them during holidays, birthdays, and other special occasions. Number 3, man. A man is an adult male human being. Men typically have more strength and muscle mass than women, and they usually have facial hair like a beard or mustache. Men can hold various roles in society, such as husband, father, son, brother, or friend. They have different interests and hobbies, and they come in all shapes, sizes, and personalities. Number 4, woman. A woman is an adult female human being. Women often have longer hair than men, and they may wear makeup or jewelry. Women can have many roles in society, such as wife, mother, daughter, sister, or friend. They have diverse interests and hobbies, and they come in all shapes, sizes, and personalities. Number 5, child. A child is a young human being below the age of puberty. Children are typically dependent on their parents for care and education, and they go through various stages of growth and development. They attend school to learn basic skills and knowledge, and they have different interests and hobbies based on their age and personality. Number 6, eat. To eat means to consume food and drink. We eat 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We also eat snacks in between meals. When we eat, we use our mouth, our teeth, and our tongue to chew and swallow food. Eating provides us with energy and nutrients to stay healthy and active. Number 7, sleep. To sleep is to rest and close your eyes for a while. We sleep at night or whenever we are tired. We usually sleep in a bed or on a couch. We also dream while we sleep. Sleeping allows our body and mind to relax and recharge for the next day. Number 8, go. To go is to move from one place to another. For example, you go to school, you go to work, you go to the store. You also go when you travel or visit places. Going somewhere usually involves using some form of transportation like walking, biking, driving, or flying. Number 9, come. To come is to go in the opposite direction. So if you go to school, then your house is come. You come home after school. When you invite someone to your house, you say, "Please come over." Coming is also used when something happens to you, like I came first or I came yesterday. Number 10, work. Work is something you do for a living. It could be a job or a task you have to complete. Many people work in an office, while others work in a shop or restaurant. You work to earn money, gain experience, or achieve a goal. Work can be challenging and rewarding, depending on what you do and how you feel about it. Number 11, phone. A phone is a device used for communication, especially for making calls. There are 2 main types of phones, a landline phone and a mobile phone or cell phone. You can use a phone to talk to anyone anywhere in the world. Phones are very helpful, but you should not use them during class or when you're talking to someone face to face. Number 12, bag. A bag is a container with handles used for carrying things. There are many types of bags such as a backpack, purse, briefcase, or suitcase. Bags come in various colors, sizes, and materials depending on their purpose. For example, a backpack is often used to carry school books, while a suitcase is used for traveling. Number 13, car. A car is a vehicle with 4 wheels powered by an engine. Cars are used for transportation on roads. They are faster and more convenient than public transportation. Some people own cars while others prefer to use other modes of transportation such as bikes or scooters. Number 14, key. A key is a small piece of metal used to unlock a door or start a car. Keys come in different shapes and sizes depending on the lock or the car they open. You must keep your keys safe and not lend them to anyone. Losing your keys can be very inconvenient. Number 15, Door. A door is a hinged frame that opens and closes an entrance or a room. Doors have knobs or handles to open them. They help to keep out drafts, noise, and intruders. Different doors have different purposes, like a front door, back door, or bathroom door. Number 16. Home. Home is a place where you live. It could be a house, an apartment, or any other building where you feel comfortable and safe. Home is where your family and loved ones are. You return home after a long day to relax and unwind. Number 17. School. School is a place where people go to learn. Students attend school to acquire knowledge and skills in various subjects such as math, science, history, and languages. Teachers instruct students and guide their learning process. Schools have different levels from primary to secondary and higher education. Number 18. Market. A market is a place where people buy and sell goods and services. There are various types of markets such as grocery stores, clothing stores, electronics stores, and farmers markets. Markets offer a wide range of products for consumers to choose from and support local businesses. Number 19. Store. A store is a place where you can buy goods and services. It could be a physical store like a supermarket or a clothing store, or it could be an online store. Stores offer a variety of products for sale, allowing customers to browse and purchase items that meet their needs and preferences. Number 20. Room. A room is an enclosed space within a building or a house. Rooms have walls, windows, and doors. Different rooms have different functions. For example, a bedroom is used for sleeping, while a kitchen is used for cooking. Number 21. Day. A day is the period between sunrise and sunset. It's the unit of time we measure using hours, minutes, and seconds. Each day has 24 hours. Days can be weekdays or weekends. Weekdays are Monday through Friday, while weekends are Saturday and Sunday. Number 22. Night. Night is the period between sunset and sunrise. It's when most animals sleep. At night, it's dark, quiet, and cool. Some people like to stay up late at night and enjoy the peace and quiet. Others prefer to go to bed early and wake up with the sun. Number 23. Morning. Morning is the time between sunrise and noon. It's the start of a new day. In the morning, birds sing, flowers open, and people wake up and start their daily activities. It's a popular time to exercise outdoors or have breakfast with friends. Number 24. Today. Today is the current day. It's the present moment we are living right now. Today is a unique day that will never happen again. So make the most of it. Enjoy your day and do something you love. Number 25. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day that follows today. It's the next day in a sequence. We often say tomorrow when we want to postpone something we do and want to do today. However, tomorrow will also become today someday. So don't wait too long to start something new. Number 26. Happy. Happy is a feeling of joy and contentment. It's a positive emotion that makes you smile and laugh. You can be happy for various reasons, such as spending time with loved ones, achieving a goal, or simply enjoying life. Happiness is a subjective experience that varies from person to person. Number 27. Tired. Tired is a feeling of exhaustion or fatigue. It's a state of physical or mental weariness. You can be tired for various reasons, such as lack of sleep, physical exertion, or emotional stress. Being tired can affect your mood, energy level, and overall well-being. Number 28. Sorry. Sorry is an expression of regret or apology. It is a polite way to acknowledge that you have done something wrong or caused harm to someone else. When you say sorry, you must mean it and make amends if possible. Saying sorry does not excuse your behavior, but it shows that you care about the other person's feelings. Number 29. Yes. Yes is a word used to express agreement or affirmation. It's a response that indicates you accept or confirm something. When someone asks you a question, you can answer yes if the statement is true or correct. For example, do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Number 30. No. No is a word used to express disagreement or denial. It's a response that indicates you reject or refute something. When someone asks you a question, you can answer no if the statement is false or incorrect. For example, can you swim? No, I can't. So these are 30 easy English words that we use every day. I hope you learned something new and useful. If you did, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. I'll be making more videos like this in the future, so subscribe to my channel so you don't miss them. Thank you for watching and see you soon.